Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing a business opportunity with you all.
A business where there is no investment, where there is no loss, no target, where you don't have to generate sales and you can do this even in your free time. I know you may not be able to believe this. I request you to watch this video till the end. Talking about earnings, well, there are only two types of earnings. The first way of income is job and the second way of income is to do business. A lot of people don't prefer businesses because it involves a lot of investment. And even if we do the investment, there is no guarantee that the business will get us profit. There is always a risk of loss. And that's the reason why people prefer to do jobs. But have you ever heard of someone who became a millionaire through a job? I don't think so. Billionaires are made only through businesses. The concept of business is very simple. The owner will do 3% of the work and the rest 97% of the work will be done by the team. Most of us want to do business, but we are not ready to do the investment. Let me tell you about a company which can help you to start your own business with zero investment. Yes, you heard it right, zero investment. Before telling you the details about this company, let me ask you a simple question. Every month we buy daily use products like soap, toothpaste, tea, coffee, hair oil, detergent, cosmetics, health supplements, women hygiene products, etc. These are the products which we usually buy from the grocery stores, Big Bazaar, D-Mart, etc. Has any of the shop owner ever said to you, "Sir, every month you buy products for thousands of rupees. You have been such a loyal customer. Let me give you a cashback of 1000 rupees. Or let me give you some gifts. Or maybe some product vouchers." Has any shop owner ever said these things to you? No, I don't think so. They can never give you extra benefits. You just pay them the money and get the products home. How about you spend, let's say, 3000 rupees on your daily use products every month and in return you start getting 30,000 rupees or maybe 3 lakhs rupees or maybe 30 lakhs rupees? How will you feel? I think you will be extremely happy. Now you must be wondering, how will you earn so much money just by buying daily use products like soap, toothpaste, hair oil, etc.? I will explain you how this happens. If money can be generated, it can also be distributed. Let me first talk about traditional sales channel. We are directly or indirectly customers. We buy products from retailers. Retailers buy their products from the wholesalers. They buy their products from the distributors. Distributors get their products from the CNF agents and CNF agents get their products from the company. So the product which was earlier manufactured for 40 rupees is now being sold to us for 100 rupees. This happens because these middlemen take their commissions. We get to know about these products through advertisements on television, internet, radio, newspaper, etc. When the products reach us, is there any improvement in the quality of the products? No. This clearly means that our hard-earned money is being distributed amongst the middlemen, and they are getting richer and richer. Now the question is, why are we paying them their commission when we can get the products directly from the company? And that's the whole idea of direct selling, which is also known as network marketing. So what happens here is, the product is manufactured at same 40 rupees and is being sold to us for 100 rupees. So what we are left with is the 60 rupees. As I told you earlier, if the money can be generated, it can also be distributed. So in a direct selling scenario, we are saving billions of rupees by not distributing them to the middlemen. And now you must be thinking, where is the 60% of the transaction going? In this particular case, where is the 60 rupees going? That 60 rupees will be distributed amongst us through a business plan. And that's what we call network marketing. Now, the moment when I use the word network marketing, people form a negative image about this industry. A lot of people believe that network marketing companies exist only to do frauds. But that's not the truth. There is no industry which is bad. But there might be a few people who do illegal things and that spoils the name of a particular industry. A lot of you might not know that network marketing is the only industry that produces the maximum number of millionaires every year. That means 30 to 40% of millionaires are being produced every year because of network marketing. It is a highly respected profession where you can earn in millions by making small or zero investment. Now let's talk about network marketing in detail. There are thousands of network marketing companies around the world. But in this video, I will be talking about Vestige, which is India's leading network marketing company. Vestige is an Indian company that started in 2004 in New Delhi. It started with just 10 products and 6 to 7 distributors. But today, Vestige has more than 250 products and over 2 crore distributors. There are more than 3,000 service branches in India. Talking about international presence, Vestige is successfully running in Nepal, UAE, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Ghana. Vestige has over 4,500 car achievers, 250 plus luxury car achievers, and over 15,000 foreign trip achievers. Talking about global recognition, Vestige Marketing is now listed 30th in the top 100 direct selling companies in the world. When the company started in 2004, its turnover was just 5 crore rupees, whereas last year in 2020, the turnover was 2,400 crores. Now let's talk about the products. Why should we choose Vestige products? We buy products based on two attributes. First, quality, and second, price. If I talk about the quality of Vestige products, well, Vestige and its products have numerous awards and certifications, including GMP certification, ISO certification, Halal certification, etc. And our MD, Mr. Gautam Bali, was honored with the prestigious Best CEO award. These awards and certifications completely justify the quality of our products. Apart from this, the company also gives us a 30 days money back guarantee. By any chance, if you don't like the products, you can return them and get your money back. This guarantee has been given by the company because it completely believes in its products. Now talking about the prices of the products, Vestige gives 10 to 20% discount on the MRP throughout the year. We also get points on the products, which helps us to build our business. Along with this, the company also gives us consistency offers, which help us to get the maximum benefits. If I join Vestige today by submitting my details and a government ID proof, then the company will give me a unique ID. Now, when I buy products worth 30 PV from the company, then my ID will be activated. After that, I will use the products. If I like the products, I will naturally recommend them to my family, neighbors, colleagues, etc. Let's assume that they also try Vestige products after my recommendation and they also decide to start Vestige business along with me. After that, I will educate them, guide them, and help them so that even they can share this idea and the Vestige products with their contacts. So I joined 6 people under me, and those 6 people will join their 6 people under them. This makes my team size 36. This 36 will build a team of 215 people, which in turn will build a team of 1,296 people. Including me, my team size is now 1,555. On an average, even if every single person buys products worth 800 to 900 rupees, then the total turnover generated will be 13,21,750 rupees. Can you imagine this? With zero investment, I was able to generate such a huge turnover. And with this, my payout for this particular month will be 2,20,000 rupees. I know it sounds impossible, but there are thousands of people who are replicating the same model and generating great incomes. The company will pay my downlines and my uplines according to their generated business. And that's how the business will be carried out. Now I will tell you the structure of our payout. We get 5% to 11% as performance bonus, 4% bronze director bonus, 14% business building bonus, 2% team building bonus, 17% leadership overriding bonus, 3% travel fund, 5% car fund, 3% house fund, and 2% elite club bonus. And this is the marketing plan of Vestige. So, if you also want to join Vestige, then call or WhatsApp on the mobile number given in the description box below, or contact the person who has forwarded you this video. If you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Wish you wealth.